Howdy, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, aka BWC. Today we're going to show you how to build a little toy parachute so you can parachute some of your toys down. I know you can buy them in the store nowadays, but when we were kids you couldn't buy them. You had to build your own. So we use just a piece of cloth. This happens to be a pillowcase, old pillowcase. Some string so you can make the leaders coming down from the parachute, and something to parachute down with, like a toy or something. I'm going to use a Snoopy. This is from the McDonald's Happy Meal toys that we got from McDonald's a while back. Little Snoopy. So we'll show you how to make it. We'll go outside and show you how to use it. This is a lot of fun. I think you'll like it, so stay with us. Okay, we're going to show you how to do this here. Take your pillowcase, lay it out like so. Right here where it's tied down, let's cut that in half. Cut that off there, like so. Be sure you use one that your wife or your mother says is okay to use, because it's not going to be any good anymore for anything else. There we go. Got that cut off out of the way. Get Snoopy out of the way over here. Now what we're going to do is cut this open. Doesn't matter what size you make. Foot square is good. You could use 2 foot square, whatever you want to do. I'm going to cut this open just like so. Right about there. Now I'm just going to cut it across. Get us a little square here. You could use any kind of material you have, old sheet or whatever. Now let's cut it down the side here. Get our piece out of here. A lot of times you have a sheet that's got holes in it, just haven't thrown it away yet. That'll make a good parachute. There we go. There's our first piece right there. Okay? I'm going to make this square, so what we're going to do is take this, fold it over till it comes down here, like right here at the edge. Line it up, cut that off right there, and you got a square piece. Now it's not real picky, it doesn't have to be exactly square, real good looking. It's going to work no matter what you do. There we go. There's just a good little square. Okay, now I'm going to use the printed part for the top. And what you're going to do now is cut you off some string. Any length you want. At least a foot, maybe 2. About right there is fine. You need 4 of them. All of them the same length. So there's 3. I lost it, didn't I? It's 4. Now what you're going to do, you're going to take a piece of string like this. You're going to take your corner, kind of wad it up a little bit, tie this string around it. Get it good and tight. Just like that. See how that is? See how that looks? Tie it up right there. Put a good little knot in it. You're going to do that on each corner. Okay? There's one string. Here's your second string. So get your other corner piece like so. Tie your little knot around it. Man, we made many of these when I was a kid. We flew our little army men and cars and you name it. That tight. Tie it down good. Okay. Let's take our third one around this corner. Okay. Tie it down real good. This is going to be what you tie your little man to, or whoever's parachuting. Okay, there's 3. Here's our 4th one. Well, seems to be all thumbs here, don't I? Tie it into a knot. Okay, there we go. Now, there's our chute with our 4 strings, see? Now what we're going to do is take the other ends of the strings and get them all same length here, so we'll cut that off. There we go. Tie them in a little knot so you don't lose them. Okay, take our Snoopy now. Show you what we're going to do here. Since he's got a loop already on him, we'll just slip through that loop, tie it in a little knot, like so. There's your Snoopy. And as you can see, there's the parachute. So we're going to take him outside and give him a few flights. Okay? Are you ready? Let's do it. What you want to do is grab your chute right here in the center. Be sure your strings are not tangled up because it'll tangle the chute up. So, like so. Get him all loose there. Okay? We're going to take this and just throw it up in the air like so. Let's do that again. Untangle your strings here. There we go. Catch the center of the parachute like that. And give it a whirl. Throw it up in the air. Well, that one got tangled up, didn't it? There it goes. Be sure to keep strings untangled.